I had a message from a lady who is married and she's trying to be high value by simply going out and leaving getting dressed and leaving her husband at home and acting like she's single because she's been watching a channel that is designed for single women. And I was like, well, you can just say goodbye to your marriage. There are levels to this game. There are levels to dating. There are levels to relationships. There are levels to encountering men and creating dynamics that shift at every level of life. If you are a leader, if you are a public figure, what applies for your average 20-something-year-old doesn't particularly work within the context of an older woman. What applies to married women doesn't apply to single women. What we need to understand is that dating and relationship are complex. That obviously we try to make sure that we give you as much generalized information as we can so that you can generally navigate your relationships. But it's really important for you to understand that the DNA of your encounters is very different where you are in life. And if you misapply the information, you can do more harm than good. Ladies, don't be lazy about your love life. And laziness looks like depending on social media to be your mentor and your guide. And when we are lazy and we do not want to dig deeper, we just want to build our relationships off the stuff we can glean off the internet, we will actually do more harm than good. Relationship with the content creator so that you understand where they're coming from, the context in which certain things can be used. Otherwise, you're going to absolutely destroy your relationship. You have to take your love life seriously because the person you choose to be in relationship with will be the making or the breaking of you. Don't be that girl.